Welcome to LSDP Public School. I am Aditya Pathak, Principal of LSD Public School, Rudauli, Ayodhya. I am so happy to welcome Inspection Committee members, Mr. Sahana Ranjit, Principal, Naujeevan Bethany Vidyalay, Kerala, and Mrs. Upasana Yadav, Principal, Army Public School, Bangalore, Karnataka. We are here for recording video to be given for prior inspection for CBSE Senior Secondary Upgradation. Before entering the school, I like to view our parking area. I request to our security people, open the door for me. Our security people are quite humble and very polite, extremely good for children. I am entering the school. This is school view. This is school view. The Ayodhya is in very high risk zone as well for COVID, and we are taking precaution for that as well. The whole campus is protected 12 feet height compound wall. The area of school is 8190 square meter. Total build-up area is 1047.81 square meter. Playground area is 7142.19 square meter. Now we are going to playground. CBSE says Fit India, and we should develop children healthy body and mind. We have large playground in our school, outdoor and indoor games, as well a lot of traditional games because it is important. This is volleyball court, and this is kho and badminton court. Sport teacher Mr. Sandeep Pandey is present here. Teachers are playing there. Now we move. This is playground. This is also this playground. This is for small kids. Rack. All equipment for enjoying the students. Please come here. This is playground for kho and this is for badminton, and this is for students. Where children present, they are get to enjoying. Now we are moving towards the another playground. We are moved to reach cricket ground. We have enough area for playground. Please come. It's a large playground. It's cricket ground and 200 meter track 200-meter track. The compound wall fully protected the campus. 12 feet boundary. This is look of my school as well from the back side. This is look of my school as well from the back side. All the classrooms are well ventilated. All classrooms are well ventilated, well facilitated. Now I am just about to reach again in main school entrance. Please come. Our vision, life is the subject and the result is happiness. This is boundary wall, 12 feet height for the protection. Now I would like to show the arrangement of water for children to drink. RO water is provided for the children to drink on all the corridors. We are very cautious about the health of our children. Now, please come here. On the display board, the names of respected inspection committee members. Member first, Mrs. Sahana Ranjit, Principal Navjivan Bethany Vidyalaya, Kerala, and the second member, Mrs. Upasana Yadav, Principal Army Public School, ASC Center, Agram Post, Bangalore, Karnataka. Now I am moving. This is the thought posters. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. We are very cautious for the COVID-19. Bina mask pravesh varjit. No mask, no entry. Please come. This is account office and it is a counselor office. Our counselor teacher keeps the record for all the children. Now we are moving. This is the principal office. This is the principal office, and here the dispensary behind this room. So please come here. Now we are moving towards the girls' toilet. Toilets of girls and the boys have been built on both corridors of the school, the number of which is 10. Besides, 10 separate urinals for boys have also been made, where special care is taken for cleanliness. Please come. Make the video. Despite our school being in the rural area, the school management has provided education for the development of the area at a very low fee. Now we are moving. This is the staff room. This is the staff room. The teachers and the local administration permission. Only 30% teachers I call today. They are very hard working. Please come here. Now we are moving. The cameras on each place, cameras are working properly. Cameras and fire extinguishers all are on the working for the safety of the students. Now we are moving on the second floor. Please come here. Now we are moving towards the computer lab. Please come. The school management has provided a well-equipped lab to provide quality education in computer subject to the children. The school has a total of 25 monitors, 25 CPUs, 25 UPS. Apart from this, 2 projectors have also been arranged by the school management. They all are in the working. Mr. Ranjit, he is computer teacher. He is on the computer. Okay. Take also video from this side. Now we are moving. This is also toilets for staff and the girls. This one. Due to our school being in the rural area, there is a problem of electricity, for which 10 kilowatt solar panel is installed by the school management. This is the top view, and there are solar panels. To our school being in the rural area, there is a problem of electricity, for which 10 kilowatt solar panel installed by the school management for the students. Let's take the video. This is solar energy plant. Our school totally depend on the solar energy. Now we are moving. This is fire extinguisher. Math lab where the math teachers taking the online class.
AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Use Pythagoras theorem. It is divided both sides by AC square. We get AC square upon AC square equal to AB square upon AC square plus BC square upon AC square. AC square upon AC square equal to 1. AB square upon AC square it is converted to BC upon AC square.
Please take the
Plus BC upon AC का whole square.
The students are attending the class. Please take the video. He is Mr. Onkana Upadhyay or PGT Maths. He is taking the class. Now we are moving. Please carry on.
1 that is sin theta whole square plus cos theta whole square 1 equal to sin square theta plus cos.
Now we are moving towards the classroom. Please come. This is our classroom. Full ventilated. Full light availability. And the camera is also working here. Please take the full video. This is full ventilated room, full safety room as per the CBSE norms. The fans are the working conditions. Then now we are going. These are classrooms. I explained they are fully ventilated. This corridor, the school corridor. Now we are moving towards the vacant class, which is for upgradation up to senior secondary level. These are classrooms. प्लीज आप दिखाते रहें. This is classroom which is full ventilated. I explained. This is for class 10. This school is newly upgraded school. Now you go. This is for class 10. This is class 10. The school area is well cleaned, well managed, and as per the CBSE norms. Now we are moving towards the sports room. I explained we are working for the students. This is indoor game room. This is also most important for the school. A lot of equipment is also in stock. Now we move from here. Now we are moved towards the vacant class. This is vacant room 1. This is for upgradation. TJ5 vacant class for senior secondary. This is vacant class first. This is second. This is fully managed, well ventilated. Take the video very well. Okay. Now we move from here. This is vacant room 3, and this room is fully managed. the school. This is the well managed windows for the safety of the students. Here's the window, well equipped. Sorry. Now we move going from here. And beside the room, the next is the vacant room 4, and the vacant room 5 is first floor. Is on the first floor. Now, I would like to show the most important part of school library, which is fully furnished. This is library. On the lights here. Please come here. He is our librarian, Mr. Anil Sharma. This is fully furnished. This library is done in 2 parts, for students and the other for teachers. This is the first part and there is the second part. The school library currently has about 3,000 books. Story English, story English, story Hindi, story Hindi, and it is endless books, well managed. Science, this rag is only for science, Hindi and the GK. The science, computer, Hindi. This is school library. The size of the school library is 1200 square feet. The size of the school library is 1200 square feet. Now we are going here. There are a lot of magazines, newspapers. Stay away from negative people. They have a problem for every solution. These posters for the students. This is NCERT books. This is NCERT books. This is for class 11, class 4. There are other NCERT books, chemistry, we have about 3,000 books stock. This is our display board. English newspaper, Hindustan Times, Amar Ujala and Dainik Jagran available in the school. This is the Amar Ujala and this is Dainik Jagran. This is also NCERT Maths. NCERT Maths. And the other books for the study of the students. A lot of drawing books. Welcome to library. One computer setup here. Also and this is the stock register of the library, which is updated. This is school library register. Now we are moving Now I would like to show our physics lab. This is also a corridor, and I want to take a video from this place. This is our ground. Very green place. Now I would like to show you the physics lab of the school, and its size is 800 square feet. Education is the movement from darkness to light. Alan Bloom. This is physics lab. Now we are moving. Its size is 800 square feet. All important equipments are available here. For class 11 computation, I have important equipments. This is optical bench. Sorry, this is potentiometer. This is pin board. This is Zener diode apparatus, which is used in class 12. This is spherometer. This is optical bench. This is rheostat. This is also pin board, which is used for diffraction, refraction, and reflection. This is the galvanometer, which tells about the presence of the current. This is the resistance box, which is very important in the physics. This is the spring. This is spring for Archimedes principle. And this is the meter bridge. This is the meter bridge apparatus. This is the battery eliminator, which convert current AC to DC. This is also pin board. This is the refractive index apparatus, which tells about the refractive index. This is the stopwatch. This is the one-day caliper. Sorry. This is also physical balance. This is potentiometer, and some stock available in the racks. This is also potentiometer. This is also a battery eliminator. This is also a stopwatch. Here we have pendulum box. This is new for students for vibration. Yes, this. This tells about the presence of the vibration, which is very helpful for the class 9 and the class 11. Now we are moving here. This is wet box. This is also optical bench. This is also weighing machine. And this is very important thing, Ohm's law apparatus. Sorry. This is Ohm's law apparatus. And this is the pendulum for simple harmonic motion, SHM. This is optical bench. This is also a pin board. This is also a meter bridge, and a lot of the equipments here. This is also a Ohm's law apparatus, and a lot of equipment, prism, ammeter, voltmeter, glass slab, rheostat, microscope, and some other things here. And this is the lab register. This is lab register for physics, chemistry and bio equipments. Stock register. This is totally ventilated room. And as per the CBSE norms, for the student safety, we provide every facility here. As like camera, please take the camera photo. There, camera for monitoring and electrical devices. Now I would like to return to the first floor by the stairs to the right of the school campus. This is also a fire extinguisher. Please take the video. This is fire extinguisher. In the school campus, 20 fire extinguishers are working. This is library, huge library, in two parts for teachers separate and the students also, 1200 square feet. This is library. Now we are moving. This is library, vacant class. This is also camera. One must become as humble as the dust before he can discover truth. Rashtrapita Mahatma Gandhi. This is also a washroom for girls' toilet. This is girls' toilet. We have proper arrangement for the girls and the boys. Now we move from the right side of the school campus building. On the first floor is the stairs, which is proper as per CBSE manuals norms for the student safety. This is the large corridor. Now we are moving towards the boys' toilet. This is boys' toilet. All the equipment are properly working. We are working on the safety of the students. Please come here. Take the video. This is the washroom of our school for the boys. Now I would like to show boys urinal. This is boys urinal. Yes, 10 separate urinals are working. Where well adequate cleaning management. Take the video. Well cleanness. Do not compromise for the health of the student. Proper way. Proper cameras. Now I move back towards biology lab. This is activity room. This is activity room. There are many equipments for the activity of the students for the enjoying rain on the green grass, rain on the green grass, rain on the tree, rain on the housetop, but not on me. This is activity room. These are the classes, class first, class second. Now I would go back towards biology lab. The school inspires children to learn by doing. So adequate labs have been provided. This is biology lab. The size of this lab is 1000 square feet. The huge lab, biology lab, 1000 square feet. The size of the general labs is 600 square feet, but in our school biology lab is 1000 square feet. And the proper residence is scorpion, starfish, and a lot of the stars. We want to develop biology lab fully, but due to availability of goods due to COVID-19 stop, it will be fully equipped soon. The microscope is Mr. Krishna Tiwari, lab assistant. A lot of posters. Very early, we manage this lab very good. A lot of things in the stocks. Now we can move in. We are moving towards monitoring room. Here 62 cameras are working. This is fire extinguisher. This is our priority. This is our first priority for the safety of the students. Now we are moving towards the monitoring room. Here, please come here. Here 62 cameras are working. This is very important for children's safety. 62 cameras. Mr. Kishan, please change the next button. This is monitoring room. This is the class, and this is the stock room. And it's the computer lab, library, ground. Now we move from here. Now I would like to show our chemistry lab. Here lab assistant Mr. Praveen Giri is present. There are a lot of instruments for the upgradation of senior secondary level. Please take the video. There are many chemicals. All important things are available here. Modern periodic tables. Take the video also. This is modern periodic tables of any friends. Long form. Also camera present here. This is our chemistry lab. Well equipped lab. The gloves for safety of the students. This is fire extinguisher for this lab. Take the video very well. Mahatma Gandhi said, learning by doing. We are working on this theme. Our teachers are working for online class. They were trying to give good education. We take another video from this side. This is U-shaped building. This is our assembly ground, also Kho ground. Well cleanness as per CBSE norms. Greenery. We are continuous working for greenery. Our teachers are working for online class. They were trying to give good education in art situation of COVID-19. Dustbins, please take the video. The dustbins, display boards. This is the front view. I am so thankful to the inspection committee members. If any point is missed by us, kindly communicate us. We are waiting to virtual inspection of our school and we are ready more than for it. Thank you.